Hello everyone. In this grammar class, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. First, we will see meaning of countable nouns. A countable nouns are nouns that name things that can be counted. All the nouns that can be counted are known as countable nouns. Here are 6 balloons. Balloons can be counted? Yes. Here is an orange. Orange can be counted? Yes. So, things that can be counted are known as countable nouns. Some more information about countable nouns are given here. Countable nouns can be used with a, an, or numbers. A book, an egg, 2 doves, 1 orange. See, whenever we talk about one thing, we use an apple, a book. And when we talk about more than one things, number is used, 2 pencils. Did you notice one more thing? In front of apple I have written an, and in front of book I have written a. Why it is? Here we have to recollect the lesson articles. In front of vowel word A-E-I-O-U we use an, and in front of consonants a is used. Third point. Countable nouns have plural forms. A book, 2 books. 1 city, 3 cities. Always countable nouns can be changed from singular into plural. What is singular? When we talk about one thing, we use pen. When we are talking about more than one thing, that is plural, pen will change into pens. Fourth point. We can also use words such as a few and many before countable nouns. A few songs, many temples. When we are using songs in this sentence, it looks very bad when we use one song, 2 songs. Instead of that, we can use a few songs. Here are some examples of countable noun. I ate 2 apples today. There were 6 dogs in a room. There are 3 books on the table. So all the information about countable nouns are given in this example. Apples, dogs, books are countable noun, and in front of countable noun, numbers are used. Next is meaning of uncountable noun. Opposite of countable noun is uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that name things that cannot be counted. So all the nouns which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. Have some more rice, drink up all the milk. Rice and milk cannot be counted. The second one. We cannot count uncountable nouns like rice or milk. We cannot say 5 rices or 3 milks. Yes, that is correct. Whenever we talk about rice and milk, we can't use the word 5 rices or 3 milks. Third one. Uncountable nouns cannot be used with a, an, or numbers. In front of juice, we can't use the word a, it is wrong. And in front of wheat, 2, we can't use because all these things are uncountable nouns. Fourth one. Uncountable nouns do not form plurals. We can't change the uncountable nouns from singular to plural. Rice will remain rice, milk will remain milk. You can't change rice into rices. Examples of uncountable nouns: kinds of food and drink, flour, juice, coffee, materials, iron, sand, silk. Some abstract nouns: poverty, pride. Proper nouns: Harish, Annie, Zahida. These are some examples of uncountable nouns. Sixth one, we can use words such as much, more, little, and enough before uncountable nouns. So I can use the word ear juice. So in place of a, I can have little juice. Examples of uncountable noun. I brought 2 kilograms of sugar today. There were 7 liters oil in the kitchen. I drank 3 glasses of milk. Sugar, oil, and milk are the examples of uncountable nouns, and directly we have not used the number 2. Thus numbers 2, 7, 3 are used in front of kilograms, that is measuring unit. I have given some nouns. Find out whether it is countable or uncountable. Banana, we can count, so it is countable noun. Oil, yes, we can count, so it is uncountable noun. Air, yes, it is uncountable. Shoes, countable. Honesty, uncountable. Thank you and have a nice day.